Welcome back, Snapchat enthusiasts. In today's video, we'll be discussing a crucial topic: how to report a bug in your Discover page on Snapchat. Reporting bugs helps the Snapchat team identify and resolve issues, ensuring a seamless Discover experience for all users. So, let's dive into the step-by-step guide. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Look for the familiar yellow ghost icon on your home screen or in your app drawer and tap to open it. Step 2. Once you're inside the Snapchat app, tap on the account icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. In the account settings, locate the gear icon and tap on it. This will open the Snapchat settings menu. Step 4. Within the settings menu, find the I spotted a bug option and tap on it. This is where you can report any bugs or issues you encounter. Step 5. Inside the I spotted a bug section, tap on Stories and Discover. This will allow you to report any specific bugs related to the Discover page. Step 6. Write a specific report detailing the bug you've encountered. Be as thorough as possible, explaining the issue, when it occurred, and any other relevant details. Step 7. If you have visual evidence of the bug, you can add attachments such as pictures. To do this, tap on Add Attachments and select the appropriate files. By following these steps, you can effectively report a bug in your Discover page on Snapchat, helping the team improve the overall Discover experience. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.